50, 40, 30,
Thank you, and thanks for the help tonight.
1000.
Well, hello aviation
100.
lovers and welcome back to the COCKPIT channel. Join me this week for a sunset
50,
arrival
40,
into Faro.
30,
It's gonna be a visual landing at runway 28. So please enjoy this one.
We hebben de Alagoe 9 Alpha, die gaat alle kanten op. Ertis Genro 607 naar Gapti. Als we die nou eens even vastzetten op 4000, dat is misschien wel aardig. Voor de ILS 28. Even kijken hoor, nog even snel de ground chart erbij zetten. Ja. ILS 28 inbound koers is 282. 3 graden glijpad naar de minima van 220. Als ze de baan niet zien is het rechtdoor tot Fox Romeo 17 met maximaal 220, climb 3000 en dan left to Gimal.
Check.
Ja, die baan is 2,5 kilometer bijna en we gaan er in principe denk ik misschien Fox en anders Romeo Golf er vanaf. Autobrakes 3
Gezet.
checked. We doen klappen 30.
Ik zal even vragen voor further descent.
Yes please.
32 Juliet, standing by for third. 32 Juliet for lower, contact please for 136, decimal 030. 136, decimal 030, 32 Juliet. Well, hello from 32 Juliet, maintaining 35, go to Alagoe. 32 Juliet, Minpondi identified, and descent flight level 250. Descent level 250, 32 Juliet.
Oké, level 250. Die doen we ook gewoon weer lekker in vertical speeds. Ja, autobrakes 3, klappen 30, frequentie staan er in. Uitwijk is Sevilla. We gaan landen met 3.2. We hadden daar iets van 2,5 nodig, dus we hebben nog wel wat speling. Maar ja, het weer is verder goed, kist is goed. Vragen, toevoegingen, opmerkingen, dingen die ik vergeten ben. Threads. Soms kom je wat hoog uit, vandaar even de restrictie. Doen we dan.
Please roll me put Portugal 109er for level 29 inbound contact.
109 decimal 4
identified after Charlie Sierra direct to Upolo 2 Alpha Rock. Faro approach hello 32 Juliet passing 263, the descent flight level 250, we have the on board. 32 Juliet, boa tarde, descent level 80 Gapti. Descent level 80 towards Gapti, 32 Juliet.
80 to Gapti.
Easy 183 go, continue descent on holding pattern to altitude 4000 feet, 2013.
Continue descent in holding
Retard,
pattern
final speed.
4000 feet, 1013. Easy 18 with Eagle.
We gaan helemaal niet level change.
Zal ik vragen voor Fox Romeo 928?
32 Juliet, any chance direct Fox Romeo 928?
32 Juliet, proceed to Fox coming into it.
Proceeding Fox Romeo 928, and maybe later on a visual approach.
We'll see, let's know.
Roger.
Seabird 517, flight to Evura.
Armis, wie ziet.
Dan gaan we iets verder zakken.
Ja.
Far approach 18 with Eagle.
Go.
Okay, cabin crew just securing the aircraft now, so we'll give you a call when we're ready for the approach. Just some further information we've got for the medical staff on arrival. The lady in question is allergic to penicillin.
Okay, all best information, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
To Juliet.
Go ahead, Mr. Julliet.
Okay, your visual approach will be subject to the easy with the medical situation on board, so for now, flight Fox 9 to 8, you'll see later on.
Ja,
Yeah, let's talk with no problem, 32 Juliet.
32 Juliet, type speed.
Wat zegt hoe?
Say again for 32 Juliet.
Keep high speed, please.
Maintaining high speed, 32 Juliet.
gaan weer door.
32 Juliet, continue descent to altitude 3000 feet, QNH 1013.
Continue descent to altitude 3000 feet on the QNH 1013, 32 Juliet.
Pro checklist.
Altimeters.
1013 9000.
Pro checklist completed. Check.
Faro Approach, muito boa tarde, Azores 198, descending manual 250 with Kilo.
Azores 198, boa tarde. Continue descent level 120, speed 250.
Speed 250, continue descent level 120, Azores 198.
Easy 18 Whiskey Golf along for the approach.
We're just waiting for the cabin to secure, so probably 5 minutes. We'll let you know as soon as we know more information. 18 Whiskey Golf.
Okay. 32 Julliet, clear visual approach, runway 28, maintain separation with the ground.
Clear visual approach, runway 28, will do 32 Juliet.
Oh, 15. Ja, check. En dan kunnen we een beetje verder op mijn rest. Binnen 3 maal final puntje erin of zoiets?
Ja, doe maar even. Maak eens wat nou eens.
$1000 staat hij 990. Dus heb je hier mooi een plaatje.
Deel in ook wel doen.
Ja. Nu ga je boven je pad uitkomen natuurlijk.
Nee, daarom een beetje helpen.
Yep.
Een beetje opsturen. Flaps 1.
Check.
En een flaps 5.
Cabin is ready.
Check. Weer nou. Een beetje weerstand hebben.
Easy 18 Whiskey Golf, ready for the approach, 18.
Easy 18 Whiskey Golf, roger. Leave holding on having 070, vectoring LS approach.
Leave holding 0770, vectors on and approaching you 18 Whiskey Golf.
32 Juliet, tower 120755, bye.
120.755, bye to 32 Juliet. Tower, good evening, 32 Juliet, for the visual approach, runway 20.
Flaps 2.
32 Juliet, continue approach, surface wind 270 degrees 7 knots. Continue approach, 32 Juliet. Easy 15 out back, push back setup approved,
Flight director.
facing west, I say again, facing west. Just our route face west, easy 15 out Quebec. Blackbird 32 Papa, report ready.
Yeah, absolutely, fully ready.
Blackbird 32 Papa, line up on 8.
And one way 28, Blackbird 32 Papa.
En de flaps 3.
2500.
Check. Met de vast. Vast zit. En de landing checklist.
Landing checklist, engine start switches,
Continuous.
speed brake,
S-arms.
landing gear,
Down.
and the flaps.
30 green lights.
That's all you require. Landing checklist completed. Ik zal even voor de formal.
Blackbird 32 Papa, wind 270 degrees 7 knots, runway 28 cleared for takeoff, have a nice flight.
28 clear for takeoff, thank you, and yeah, thanks for your help tonight. Thanks.
You're welcome, see you next time, sir.
Komt keurig uit. Dus altitude hold is regard. Komt omdat die voorlopig niet captured is.
Ja.
Check. Rijken we zo weg.
Easy 48 Uniform Quebec, request taxi.
Easy 48 Uniform Quebec, stand by for taxi.
Standing by Easy 48 Uniform Quebec.
2 meter.
Ja, keurig.
Localize to capture, missed approach 3000. Thank you. Eventful links.
Three to Julliet, wind 270 degrees 7 knots, runway 28, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 28, 3 to Julliet.
Ik heb een calls gegeven. Clear to land.
Check.
Is completed.
1000.
Checked.
Tower Griffin 75 Hotel, stand 314 with Yankee QNH 1013, request clearance to Gatwick please.
Easy 48 Uniform Quebec, taxi by Chow 2, propelled in point 28, hold shorter runway. The Ryanair will turn the, understand where the foamy car is.
Taxi Charlie 2, Papa, runway 28, Easy 48 Uniform Quebec.
Griffin 75 Hotel, clear to Gatwick via Sutex to Victor departure flight level 100.
500.
Squawk to 52555, information Yankee QNH 1013.
Fitted on the Gatwick via Sutex 2 Victor, stopping at flight level 100, squawk 2525, QNH 1013 Yankee, thanks very much.
Approaching minimums.
Squawk is 5255.
5255, Griffin.
Minimums.
Check.
Read back correct.
One 50, 40, 30,
Sunday 38, Whiskey Bravo,
20,
stand 446, request push to
10.
start.
Speed break up.
Easy 38 Whiskey Bravo, roger, traffic behind you.
Reverse
stand by,
now.
push and start.
Manual braking. Localize to capture, missed approach 3000. Thank you. Eventful links.
Three to Julliet, wind 270 degrees 7 knots, runway 28, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 28, 3 to Julliet.
Ik heb een calls gegeven. Clear to land.
Check.
Is completed.
1000.
Checked.
Tower Griffin 75 Hotel, stand 314 with Yankee QNH 1013, request clearance to Gatwick please.
Easy 48 Uniform Quebec, taxi by Chow 2, propelled in point 28, hold shorter runway. The Ryanair will turn the, understand where the foamy car is.
Taxi Charlie 2, Papa, runway 28, Easy 48 Uniform Quebec.
Griffin 75 Hotel, clear to Gatwick via Sutex to Victor departure flight level 100.
500.
Squawk to 5255, information Yankee QNH 1013.
Fitted on the Gatwick via Sutex 2 Victor, stopping at flight level 100, squawk 2525, QNH 1013 Yankee, thanks very much.
Approaching minimums.
Squawk is 5255.
5255, Griffin.
Minimums.
Check.
Read back correct.
One 50, 40, 30,
Sunday 38, Whiskey Bravo,
20,
stand 446, request push to
10.
start.
Speed break up.
Easy 38 Whiskey Bravo, roger, traffic behind you.
Reverse
stand by,
now.
push and start.
Manual braking. Log lights will capture.
Check.
Missed approach 3000. Thank you. Eventful links.
To Julliet, wind 270 degrees 7 knots, runway 28, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 28, 32 Julliet.
Ik heb een calls gegeven. Clear to land.
Check.
Access is completed.
1,000.
Checked.
Tower Griffin 75 Hotel, stand 314 with Yankee QNH 1013, request a clearance to Gatwick please.
Easy 48 Uniform Quebec, taxi by Chow 2, propelled in point 28, old charter runway. The Ryanair will turn the understand where the foamy car is.
Taxi Charlie 2, Papa, runway 28, easy
Stabilized.
48 Uniform
Check.
Quebec.
Griffin 75 Hotel, clear to Gatwick via Sussex to Victor departure flight level 100.
500.
Squawk to 5255, information Yankee QNH 1013.
Fitted on the Gatwick via Sussex 2 Victor, stopping at flight level 100, squawk 2525, QNH 1013 Yankee, thanks very much. Griffin
Approaching
75 Hotel.
minimums.
Squawk is 5255.
5255, Griffin.
Minimums.
Hotel.
Check.
Read back correct.
One 100. 50. 40. 30.
Sandy 38 Whiskey Bravo,
20.
stand 446, request push to
10.
start.
Speed breakup.
Easy 38 Whiskey Bravo, roger, traffic behind you.
Reverse
stand by,
now.
push and start.
Manual braking. Die highway hier. Zo, gaat niet weg. Full log lights will capture.
Check.
Missed approach 3000. Thank you. Eventful links.
To Julliet, wind 270 degrees 7 knots, runway 28, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 28, 32 Julliet.
Ik heb een calls gegeven. Clear to land.
Checked.
Access is completed.
1,000.
Checked.
Tower Griffin 75 Hotel, stand 314 with Yankee QNH 1013, request a clearance to Gatwick please.
Easy 48 Uniform Quebec, taxi by Chow 2, propelled in point 28, old charter runway. The Ryanair will turn the understand where the foamy car is.
Taxi Charlie 2, Papa, runway 28, easy
Stabilized.
48 Uniform
Check.
Quebec.
Griffin 75 Hotel, clear to Gatwick via Sussex to Victor departure flight level 100.
500.
Squawk to 5255, information Yankee QNH 1013.
Fitted on the Gatwick via Sussex 2 Victor, stopping at flight level 100, squawk 2525, QNH 1013 Yankee, thanks very much. Griffin
Approaching
75 Hotel.
minimums.
Squawk is 5255.
5255, Griffin.
Minimums.
Hotel.
Check.
Read back correct.
One 100. 50. 40. 30.
Sandy 38 Whiskey Bravo,
20.
stand 446, request push to
10.
start.
Speed breakup.
Easy 38 Whiskey Bravo, roger, traffic behind you.
Reverse
stand by,
now.
push and start.
Manual braking.
Easy 15
Outsbreak
Alpha
disarmed.
Quebec, taxi.
Easy 15 Alpha Quebec, follow the company aircraft via Charlie 2, propelled in point 28, old short runway.
Follow company, Charlie Papa, hold short 28, easy 15 Alpha Quebec.
60.
Speed to the right.
32 Juliet, vacate first convenient to the right, then Papa Bravo, stand 318.
Papa Bravo stands 318, confirm 32 Julliet.
Affirm 318, sir.
Papa Bravo. Papa Bravo stands
Easy 38 Whiskey Bravo, push and start approved, facing east.
Push start approved, facing east, easy 38 Whiskey Bravo.
Traffic now passing behind you, almost cleared.
Roger that. Control Heroing, 6 Tango Foxtrot, stand 456, information Julliet, request start and push.
Heroing
Even
6
vergeten
Tango
hoe slecht die baan ook weer was.
Roger, stand by
best
for
hobbelig.
push and start.
Standing by Heroing, 6 Tango Foxtrot.
Easy 48 Uniform Quebec, fully ready.
Papa Bravo.
Easy 48 uniform Quebec, Roger.
Dus dat is de tweede... sorry.
Line up right.
Line up and wait.
Twee links.
Easy 48 Uniform Quebec.
En dan
Easy 38 Whiskey Bravo.
338 Whiskey
Eigenlijk rechtuit.
Make
Ja,
a long
klein
push
kopje,
to
klein
breakaway
klapje
point
naar rechts.
137.
Say again, Easy 38 Whiskey Bravo.
Make a long push to breakaway point 13.
Take a long push to breakaway point 13, Easy 38 Whiskey Bravo.
Nou, Marshaller, taxi ligt maar uit.
Taxilijn op.
Sorry, Easy
3 minuten, motor 2 mag wel even uit.
Number 2.
Yes sir.
Easy 18 Whiskey Golf, wind 27 degrees 7.
Master caution, source of...
Runway 28, clear to land, Easy 18 Whiskey Golf.
Hearing 6 Tango Fox, push and start approved, facing east.
Push and start approved, facing east, Hearing 6 Tango Foxtrot.
So that's it for this flight. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Please press that like button if you did. And of course you can subscribe over here. I've got some more videos over here and I got a complete playlist over there. And that's it for now. COCKPIT out.